Vanessa Terry here from Notary to Notary, and I'm so happy to welcome you to the E-Notary training. This training is going to go over many of the important aspects that any notary needs to know in order to grow a successful e-notary business. So first, what is an e-notary? Basically, an e-notary is a notary that conducts notarizations online or electronically. In order to become an e-notary, you do need to verify that your state licenses e-notaries. In order to complete your application with your notary commissioning office, you will need a digital certificate and notary seal. Notary to Notary will provide you with your notary seal. This training will also cover how to complete e-notarizations properly. There are two ways that an e-notary can complete notarizations: electronically and remote online notarizations. An e-notary can conduct electronic notarizations with the person physically present beside them, or it can be remotely conducted, where the person is in another state or even another country on a Skype-like or video conferencing platform. Be sure that your state allows you to complete remote online notarizations. Your state may license you to be an e-notary, but they may not allow you to complete remote online notarizations, meaning the person signing would still need to be present in front of you, but you would notarize their documents on a tablet or like device. There are so many online platforms that you could use to grow your notary business, such as Notarize, DocVerify, and SafeDocs. We will go over each of these platforms individually throughout this course. We're also going to cover marketing. So you want to build your e-notary business just like you build your traditional notary business. And the key to building an e-notary business is marketing online. We will also cover how to charge for your e-notary services and good record keeping. It is so important to keep a record of every e-notarization that you complete. Unlike traditional notarizations, where some states allow you to keep a journal if you choose, but it's not required, e-notary journals are always required. So, let's get started.